In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to add multiple Google accounts in Chrome. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tips like this. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. First, open Chrome. So you can see I have an account here already. So to add another account, I'll just click on this profile app here. Then click on add new profile. So here we are going to sign in to the new account that I want to add to the Chrome. So just click on sign in. So here you are going to enter the email or the telephone number. When done, you click on next. So here you're going to insert a password. When done inserting a password, you click on next. So at this stage, they are going to send you an email to your phone. So you are going to verify that it's you. It will open up turn on sync. So click on yes, I'm in. Just customize your Chrome profile. So this is it. I just log it in. So now you can see there are two accounts here. So that's how to log multiple accounts in Chrome. If you find this video helpful, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.